area. Oh my god, that's our gutter right there. And there's no tube attached. We have double gutters. But you can't see the other one. We're gonna get flash floods. Dude, the road! Hold on, focus. Focus outside the window. This is crazy. This is a big flood. We're gonna get floods. Here we go, we'll go to the other window. My room. Okay, it's slowing down. But it's still... Oh, never mind, it's picking back up. This is insane. If I open the window a tiny bit... Oh my god, a wave of heat just hit. My window screen won't go up. This is a lot. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but we'll get back into it. Bye.